looking for some inspiration in terms of learning materials, use old calendars to create amazing learning resources. All you need is just a pair of scissors and old unwanted calendars. First, you need to cut your calendar into pictures and choose the pictures that you like. So for example, I'm going to use this butterfly. If you are making a puzzle for younger children, like babies and toddlers, you can cut it only in two. And they will have, you can mix it, and then they will have to put it together. It is easy. You can also use glue and create a picture like that and then ask them, what do you see? All the children will need a little bit more complex puzzles. So I will cut it in 4 parts for toddlers. You can mix them and ask them to put them together. So that's a set. An average preschooler can try to attempt a complex puzzle like this one, which has more pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make sure to mix them together. You can put them in files and then start your day with pre-prepped materials. So as I said, children can use this as separate puzzles, or you can glue it on a piece of paper. Enjoy!